Hey Mandela, I have a chant that I would like to suggest for competition. A quick, easy chant that we can do after we win a championship or right before a championship to kind of make sure our brothers' energy is up and that we are ready and pumped up. So it's really simple. Make sure you have enough space so that you can practice with me. It includes stomping and clapping. So first you start with one stomp. So make sure it's solid. So you're gonna go stomp and you're gonna clap 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So stomp, clap, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, it's stomp, then clap 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm gonna include the word. So it's gonna go when you stomp, you're gonna say man, man. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mandela. Stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mandela. 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 Last time. Mandela. So please give me some feedback. Let me know if you guys think this will be an adequate competition chant. I think it would. It's pretty simple. It's easy. The words are short, and it's a quick, fast competition chant. So let me know what you guys think, and if you want to include it for our competition on Friday. Have a great day. Get those merits.